Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I'm Julia Rose, and today I'm going to be talking about H&M and some bits and bobs that I've bought for summer 2020. It would seem that I am obsessed with bodysuits, obsessed with white and light beige clothing for this season, so please stick around and subscribe to my channel if that sounds good to you. I am loving H&M at the minute. Their quality, their designs, their conscious range are getting better and better, and I'm totally into it. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, I tried on these denim shorts and they are way too small for me. I don't know if it's my lockdown snacking diet or what, but not only were they so tight, but they were incredibly short. And I'm just not gonna wear these out and about. I couldn't imagine myself wearing these on the school run, so I'm gonna send these back. I got the size 8, so I must be really hitting those donuts too hard. I love the raw hem. I'm not crazy about the dark color. If I was to reorder them, I would get them in a lighter color and definitely size up like 2 sizes. But this white top that I tried on with them is so gorgeous. Okay, let me just give you a word of warning here. I have a lot of tops and they're all, bar one, white. But stay with me, stick with me. They're all very, very different. This one is gorgeous. I love the flowy material, perfect for summer. Do you know what I love about it? The classy high neck is incredible, but I also love how wide this bit is because it covers that underarm boob chub that I don't want popping out of my tops. I love the back bow. I think it's so classy, and I would definitely wear my hair up just so I could show that big bow off because it's so cute. This is adorable, tucked in or left out. It's got a really flattering material on it. A couple of my subscribers have requested that I tell you what size I got just for point of reference, so I'm just going to add that into my videos, but please ignore if that doesn't interest you. I got the extra small in this top, and when I got it out of the box, I gave it a quick iron, and it irons like a dream, which says a lot because I am terrible with an iron, so that is good to know. It's just really nice, really cute. It's got a little back opening when you tie it up, so it just adds a little something something, but I just really love it. With some dangly earrings, this could just look amazing. And I paired this with these mom jeans, which fit like a glove. This is how I wanted those Reese ones to fit. I don't know if you saw my last Reese haul, but this is the look I was going for. So you see, it doesn't always work to pay more. I love the acid wash on these. I think it gives such a fun 80s vibe. I really like the old school butterfly buttons. I think it's just super cute. The high waist is a dream, and I just love the way that they're slim fit in the leg, turned up at the bottom so you can wear them with heels. They just look really great. They've got this new tag on them and denim. These jeans just look and are tailored and fit like they're way more expensive than they are. I got these in a size UK 6, US 2, and they're called the mom jeans. They're the loose fit, ultra high waist, and they are from the H&M Conscious range, which is fantastic. And that means that they are made with recycled fiber. I'm definitely gonna keep these because these just fit so well. And you know, when you find a pair of jeans that just fits that well, you can't say no. I'm gonna try on the rest of my tops with these jeans, not the shorts, because next up is this white puff sleeve blouse, which you know I love the puff sleeve. It's got some really cute features here. It's got that kind of poplin material. It's really tight in the arm, which accentuates the puff, the voluminous sleeve up top, which is a cool design if you're into that. Then it has 2 little ties. So it has one here so that can hug close to your body, and then a wrap over pops with a popper to there, and then you can tie your waist around with a waist tie. It's a very elegant top. It is quite low in the front, so I would definitely pair it with some layering jewelry, 2 or 3 layering chains, something to give it a little bit of depth. But I love the length. It is a really, really lovely top. Narrow sleeves at the bottom is not my ultimate favorite. I find it a little uncomfortable. Oh, it's got some cute little buttons at the wrist too. It makes me feel quite Victorian, which is the style, so that makes sense. But that's not my absolute favorite, so I don't think I'm gonna keep this. I definitely prefer another puff sleeve top that I'm about to try on. But I just wanted to show it to you because it is a great top. I tried it on in the UK 4, US 0, and I wanted to share with you a styling tip that I am crazy about. It is these loop-de-loops that you get on tons of clothes. A way to make your top look more expensive is to take out the sash and actually wrap it over the loop-de-loop. So I wouldn't bother removing them because then you're just gonna be left with holes and strings and it'd be a mess, but just tie it over the loops, and then it just takes away any extra bits around the side, and it just makes it look a little bit more expensive, a little bit more designer. I know it's not a big step, but it's these little things that can make your top look more expensive if that's what you're after. Anyways, super cute top, but not my favorite. Next up was this super slouchy oversized top with a puff sleeve. I haven't seen anything like this. I was super excited by this, and this is perfect for right now when you're hanging around the house or when we get out and about. This would be adorable paired with some mom jeans or some shorts, because when you have something so big and oversized up top, it's fun and totally balanced to wear like some hot pants or some cutoffs. That would look adorable with some flip-flops or some espadrilles, sandals, anything. I love dressing up oversized kind of like men's tops. I think it looks really, really great. And this is so fun because it has the puff sleeve with the 3/4 length, which looks like it's kind of got that rugged, scrunched up vibe, but you don't have to be worrying about all the upkeep of it. I love the collar. I love it loose or tucked in. It just adds another extra element, and it's just a great lightweight cotton top that what size did I get this in? This is the extra small, and it's just super easy. It's just super fun. If you're looking for an oversized white top, this is a really great one. It's got a lot of style. It's not going to drown you, but it just looks adorable, and I really, really like it. So that's great. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, and I think this would look so cute with some short shorts, but not the short shorts that I bought because those are too short. That's a super fun top and just looks really, really casual, which I love. Unlike this top, which just looks so chic and is my favorite top out of all the blouses that I bought from H&M in this haul. The seersucker material is divine. First of all, you don't have to worry about it wrinkling because it's all about the wrinkle, which is perfect for me. I love the wrap top style. It's not too low. I do need to switch out my bra for this top. The puff sleeves is gorgeous, and it has a little elasticated at the bottom so it stays super puffy and 3/4, which is just perfect for summer. The wrap on it is gorgeous. It's not a loose sash, it's sewn in. So it just adds that little extra element of making it look a little bit more of an expensive top. And it has a zip closure on it, which means that it's super fitted and tight and just fits really, really well. I love this top. I'm definitely gonna keep this one. This is one of my favorite pieces that I bought, and I just think it's perfect for summer. Paired with jeans or shorts, it just is gonna look so cute. And you guys know I'm obsessed with white tops anyways, clearly so. This is fabulous, and I'm so into it. I got a little makeup on it, which is super annoying, but I'm sure that'll wash out just fine. Now, on to bodysuits. They are back. They're here. They're like in every store, and I adore them. This is one I got from Reese in my Reese haul, which I can link at the end of this video. They're so comfy. You don't have to worry about tucking anything in. You are all tucked in, and I just think they're so comfortable, and I love the way they look. I think they're incredibly flattering, especially with some high-waisted jeans like those mom jeans that I got from this haul. I just think it's such a cute outfit. So I got 4 bodysuits, and I'm going to show you them. They're all different, and they're all adorable. Well, hold on. Okay, this is the one I'm not so sure about because it's so incredibly low. I sized up because I didn't know about H&M bodysuit sizing yet, so I actually got the small. This is in their basics range, and I didn't want it to be too tight, but it is just too loose, so definitely order your size. If I was to order it again, I would get the extra small, but the reason I'm not going to is because it's so low in the front and the back and the side, so I just felt very exposed. It's super cute, and it would look amazing on a lot of women, but I just couldn't imagine doing the school run in this, so I'm definitely not going to keep it. But it is a very soft jersey. It's incredibly comfortable, and I would love to wear it to like a workout class or a ballet class or something, but in terms of day-to-day, I'm not going to wear it. The gray is adorable. Obviously, I like a gray bodysuit, but it was just a little too exposed for me, but it is a really soft, lovely material. It's got a double popper at the bottom, which is fab, super comfy, except for the fact that it is quite bare at the top. Unlike this one, which is a high neck white one, and I adore it. I think a high neck on any top adds a certain sophistication and makes a top look super classy, and I really, really love it. It's got this super silky soft rib material on it. I don't know if you can see, but it's just really great. Again, they've put really wide straps on it so it covers up any armpit folds on me, which I absolutely adore. I got a small again in this one, and it fit really well, which makes me think that the gray one is just quite a bare and open bodysuit, which is totally cool. But I love this paired with some gold hoops or some dangly earrings. This could look so chic, really casual, but also dressed up because of the high neck. I think this just could look amazing with some mom jeans, even a skirt. I think this just works so, so well. It just adds a lot of shape, and I just love, love, love it. Similarly, I got this one, which is a short sleeve one, and very different because it has such a scoop neck, but I love that. I think it's so flattering, but it's not too low, but it does go low in the back, which is adorable, and I really, really like it. Again, it's a ribbed one. It's super soft, super comfy, and I love the little short sleeves. It's just a really sweet bodysuit. I'm gonna be keeping this one because it's like finding the perfect white tee. Once you put it on, you're like, ah, I have to have it. I don't even care how much it is. I got this one in the extra small. It's from the divided section, and it's just gonna be a really easy throw on t-shirt under some jeans. Super easy, super comfy. You know, you're all tucked in, and I'm totally into it. Perfect. And last but not least is this one, which is similar in that it's white and ribbed and has the scoop neck and the low neck, but we've got long sleeves, which for summer, I don't know how much I would wear, except probably in the evenings, but I do love a long sleeve top. I think, you know, long sleeves, less is more, all that kind of sexy vibes with a long sleeve top. Obviously you can scrunch them up, but it adds a certain casual look to a going out vibe that just looks amazing. Also, it's an extra layer. You can take this through to autumn and winter, definitely spring, and it's just an easy new basic staple that is going into my wardrobe for sure, because I don't even have nice white long sleeve t-shirts. They're hard to find. I think they always kind of look like sports tops, whereas this one, because it's a bodysuit, is stylish and trendy and all of a sudden quite elegant, and I just love it. Paired with some gold jewelry, some jeans, some shorts. I would just love to wear it with some black shorts and some black heels. I just think that would just look so cute. So I'm gonna add that, and that is definitely gonna make it into my summer lookbook, which is coming up. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell notification so you don't miss a beat. My last white top that I'm gonna show you, which is not a bodysuit, is this silky one, which is just a bit like blah, but it's a really good staple to have. Although I think I prefer the one I got from Zara in my last Zara haul. It's just good to have one of these flowy, beige, off-white, white tops. They just are great to throw on and put under everything. Like, they're perfect to put on under a blazer. It looks more like a effort top, like you've made an effort because you're wearing a silky blousey top. But it's really great to have no sleeves because then you don't get the sweat marks. And with summer coming, it's just really good to just have that ventilation, if you know what I mean. But this is a really good one. This is pure silk. I got it in the size 6, and it is a really good basic to have from places like H&M because you can wear them and wash them and wash them and wash them, which is fabulous. And you don't want to be taking something like this to the dry cleaners all the time, because if, like me, you spill a lot down your front, then there you go. And I paired it with these shorts, which are the same ones in beige as I tried on before in black. I don't know if you remember, I did a haul comparing some black ones of these and some Zara ones. You guys chose the black Zara ones, which I totally agreed with. What do you think about these in beige? They are longer. There's more short, which I like about this style because I feel more covered up. But I also feel like a park ranger, which is no bad thing, but you know, I don't know if that's the look I'm necessarily going for. They're an easy breezy short. And if you're looking for a paper bag waist, that is super flattering and super cute. I love a belted short because you can really cinch your waist in if you want to, and they're just super comfy and they can add a lot of style. How long is too long for the Bermuda? I don't like a long short, but these paired with this blazer looked adorable. I really liked the whole outfit together. I thought it looked so cute, really summery, perfect for spring and summer 2020. I just love a white blazer. As you know, I'm gonna be doing a white blazer styling video soon, so again, subscribe, hit that bell. This white blazer is fabulous. So I tried on another white blazer from H&M and it was so fitted and so small. This more oversized, bigger blazer is a lot more chic, a lot more stylish. It's just fabulous. I got the UK size 4, US size 0. It's just fab. It's just a basic white jacket. I'm gonna compare a lot of my white blazers with you guys so you can get a look at what the difference is between the different price points, but that video is coming up soon. A basic white blazer, I would highly recommend this one if you're looking for one. It's just an easy throw on white blazer. This would look adorable with some blue denim, really cute over some short shorts, because if you have a blazer that's this oversized over some really short shorts, it works really well, adds a little balance. So this would just be perfect for summer. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you back. And check me out on Instagram because I'm always posting stuff on there, and I'll see you soon.